Right, Romy here with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning with Felipe, and we are working a piece of detailer's clay. So this is the prep process. We're going to be doing a ceramic coat on a Jeep Compass that we have over here. So it's already been thoroughly hand washed, dried, and now we are getting ready for the prep. And so the first stage of this prep is going to be detailer's clay, and we're going to use just a ceramic detailer spray as a lubricant to pull out any contaminants that are in the paint. This is just our little setup tray with we're using the G8 6-inch orbital buffer, 1, 2, 3 stages of cutter cream, and the 3 different stage of pads, and claying starts first. So we're just going to take a little bit of the ceramic spray that we have here. We're gonna lubricate the surface, and the first thing you can take a look at, even though this looks like a clean vehicle, it does get waxed quite a bit, but you can feel, so Felipe, you want to feel that car, feel that rough we're starting with, feel it on there. So it doesn't look rough, but when you feel it with the back of your hand, you can feel that it's rough. So we're just going to apply a little bit of spray, and we're going to work in sections. So maybe just a foot by foot, and most of this we're going to work all of the edges. It's just going to be an up, down, left, right, protecting that clay. Make sure we don't drop it, and clays come in different colors. It's just going to be the different kind of grits to the clay bar itself. And so a detailer's clay, it's great for any time you wash your vehicle. There's contaminants that get on there. Sometimes it's just, could be what we call acid rain, which is gonna be dirty rain, could be part of sap. So it's only gonna take out the small chunks of sap that are built in. The rest of it needs to be probably plastic razor blade, just to chip it, and then we'd have to buff out the rest of sap. But this vehicle only has very little sap on it. I think it's going to come out with the clay process. This also takes off overspray. So if you had paint overspray, you would go through and clay a vehicle, but just in regular, even if you just wash your car, clay it, and just use the detailer spray. So ours is a ceramic detail spray that we have in that spray bottle from XPC. Awesome product. It's called the Tech 582. It is well worth its weight. And if we can see from here, you can see there's some scratching on this vehicle, and most of this is just going to be from wind. So wind will scratch vehicles. So now he's gone through, he's done one little section I see here. Did you get the feel for it? Oh, already. So already, as we feel that, it is extremely slick. So it's pulled the contaminants out. It's made that good, clean paint. So that's going to be our paint prep. So we're going to go over. Normally, it just needs to happen on the horizontal surfaces. I get that mixed up with vertical. Horizontal, so the flat surfaces is generally where we need to do it, but we're going to go ahead and quickly clay over this entire vehicle. There's 2 ways to do it. So you can actually clay by hand. You can clay with a clay disc, so you actually stick the clay in the middle of a foam pad and clay like that, and that'll speed up the process a little bit. Just depending, still need to work slow, work in sections, so you can get a feel that you've gotten everything off and really make it a good prep. You don't want to seal any of these contaminants in with a ceramic coating. So take your time, just like we talked about when you're doing a headlight restoration. The more time you take for this prep, even if it's a new vehicle, prep. The more time you take, the better the job's gonna come out at the end. So take your time, prep. So we've got a new clay here. We could use in brand new cutting pads for our G8 orbital, finishing, and then a polishing pad at the very end to go with the 3 different levels of compound that we're going to use to buff it. That final one, which is going to be a stage 1, we'll work and go through right before we then prep for the ceramic. All right, we're going to get this portion done, then we'll take a look at the video of the next section. Again, this is Romy and Felipe here with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning. If you're looking for more things to do and how to make your car last longer and look better, feel free to look at our website, go to our YouTube page at RC Auto detail and carpet cleaning, or go to our website, www.rcautocity.com, or give us a call and swing by the shop, 970-373-3336. Today we're currently working out of our 2015 2nd Avenue Unit K shop in Greeley, or we're at 428 Maple Street in Old Town Fort Collins. All right, have a great day. We'll talk with you soon.